Have you ever found yourself feeling a little unsteady or wondering why balance seems to become more challenging after 60? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the 10 reasons you lose balance after 60 and how to prevent falls. Here's the kicker. Reason number 7 is something most people completely overlook, but it can be a life-changing game changer for your safety. Trust me, this one small tip could transform your confidence and stability. So stick around because every step forward is a step toward aging gracefully and staying strong. Let's dive in. Reason number 1. Let's start with the basics. Natural aging process. Balance is something many of us take for granted until it becomes a challenge. It is like riding a bicycle. It feels natural until something changes. After 60, natural wear and tear on your vestibular system, muscles, and joints can make it harder to stay upright as the key systems that keep us stable begin to slow down. Think of it as a clock that starts to slow down without regular maintenance. But the clock can be wound up again. Simple practices like Tai Chi, yoga, or even standing on one leg while brushing your teeth can fine-tune your balance systems. Number 2, muscle loss. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. It's like trying to balance on a crumbling bridge. Without strong support, every step feels unsteady. Without strong leg and core muscles, your body struggles to maintain stability. Build your foundation back up. Incorporate strength training into your routine. Simple exercises like squats, leg raises, or using resistance bands can fortify your muscles and restore stability. The following foods are also beneficial as they support muscle growth, repair, and overall health. High-quality protein sources such as eggs, turkey, chicken, and salmon. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as sardines, flax seeds, and chia. Foods high in vitamin D such as fatty fish and fortified dairy products and cereals. Fruits and vegetables such as leafy greens and citrus fruits, among others. Third, medications. Medications can feel like both a blessing and a burden. Certain medications such as blood pressure drugs or antidepressants can act like uninvited guests at a party, disrupting coordination and balance. While they help manage chronic conditions, some cause dizziness, drowsiness, or even confusion. It's like walking a tightrope with an uneven load. The solution is to review your medication regimen with your doctor. They can help identify potential culprits and suggest adjustments in dosage or switching to alternative medications. Fourth, stiff joints. Stiff joints from arthritis or wear and tear are like rusty door hinges. They creak and resist movement, making every step and adjusting your balance quickly a challenge. Oil those hinges. Engage in low-impact activities like swimming or stretching. Yoga or Tai Chi can help maintain joint flexibility and keep you moving smoothly. Regular movement keeps those hinges lubricated and functional. If you're gaining value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips tailored for seniors like you. Stick around and let's keep the journey going together. Fifth, neurological conditions. Some health problems like Parkinson's disease, strokes, or multiple sclerosis can mess with the brain's ability to keep you balanced. Think of your brain as the captain of a ship, giving orders to your muscles and nerves to work together. When something goes wrong, it's like the captain's commands are getting scrambled, making it harder to stay steady. These conditions can cause stiff muscles, shaky hands, or slow movements. It's like trying to walk with FM on heavy boots in mud. It takes extra effort, and sometimes you still lose your footing. There are ways to improve balance and make moving easier. Some medicines can help loosen stiff muscles or reduce shaking, making it easier to move around. A therapist can teach special exercises to help your body get stronger and move better, like practicing for a sport. In serious cases, doctors might suggest surgery, such as deep brain stimulation, to help the brain send clear messages to your muscles. With the right care and exercises, you can improve your balance and feel more steady, even if these conditions make things harder. It's all about finding the right tools to help you move safely and confidently. 6. Vision changes. Your eyes are your body's GPS, guiding you through life's twists and turns. But as we age, conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration can cloud your view. Imagine trying to cross a busy street with foggy glasses. Scary, right? Regular eye checkups are your tune-up. Ensure good lighting at home, especially in high-risk areas like stairways and bathrooms. Also, keep your prescription updated to avoid unnecessary risks. 7. The sudden drop. Have you ever stood up quickly and felt dizzy? That's called orthostatic hypotension. It happens when your blood pressure drops suddenly after standing up, making you feel lightheaded or even faint. This is more common after age 60 because the body's blood flow slows down. It can also be caused by dehydration, certain medications, or health issues like diabetes. To prevent it, stand up slowly, drink plenty of water, and eat small, balanced meals. Wearing compression socks or doing gentle leg exercises can help. Talk to your doctor about your medications and check your blood pressure regularly to stay safe and avoid falls. 8. Vitamin B12 deficiency. Think of vitamin B12 as the fuel for your body's nerve network. A deficiency is like running low on gas. Your nerves can't transmit signals effectively, leading to numbness, unsteadiness, tingling, and even balance problems. As we age, absorbing this vital nutrient, vitamin B12, can become more challenging. Refuel with B12-rich foods like fish, eggs, and dairy. If needed, consult your doctor about supplements to top off your levels. Regular blood tests can keep your levels in check. Reason number 9. Inner ear problems. The vestibular system in your inner ear works like your body's compass, helping you stay balanced and steady. As you get older, this system can weaken, causing dizziness or balance problems, like feeling you're spinning or rocking even when standing still. The good news, you can reset your balance with special exercises such as single leg stands, head tilts, tai chi, or yoga, and vestibular rehabilitation therapy, which is performed under the guidance of a therapist. If the dizziness doesn't improve, a doctor can help you feel steady again. Last but not least, dehydration. Imagine trying to drive a car on empty. Dehydration works the same way, leaving you dizzy and sluggish. It's a common culprit behind sudden balance loss, especially for seniors. Make water your go-to drink. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily and avoid too much caffeine or alcohol, which can dehydrate you further. Now that we've identified the challenges, let's talk solutions. Think of these tips as your safety net, keeping you steady and secure. Stay active. Regular movement is your best ally. Activities like yoga, tai chi, or even simple at-home exercises can act like a tune-up for your body, keeping all its systems in harmony. Hydration. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. Sip water throughout the day to stay balanced. Here is how to prevent falls by fall-proofing your home. Remove tripping hazards like loose rugs. Install grab bars in high-risk areas and ensure adequate lighting. These small adjustments can make your home a fortress of safety. Engage your brain. Your brain is the conductor of your balance orchestra. Keep it sharp with mental stimulation like puzzles, reading, or learning new skills. Remember, maintaining balance as you age is more than just preventing falls. It's about preserving your independence and enjoying life's journey. By addressing these 10 reasons you lose balance after 60 and how to prevent falls, you can walk through life with confidence and grace. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Let us know in the comments which of these tips will you try first. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips on senior health, fitness, and aging gracefully.